Hello, today I'm going to show you how to edit your content pages, blogs, articles, text. What you have to do is go to your page and click this blue edit button, and then you'll be presented with a quite familiar interface. It looks mainly like any other word processing system. There are a few tricks I would like to start with. First of all, if you want to paste some text from another source, another website or a document, then use either the paste as plain text or paste from Word modes, because they will take out some of the coding and extra formatting that the system doesn't need when pasting from another source. Yeah, these buttons are the same as in any other word processor. You can insert images with this link. You just have to click it, choose this browse icon, and then this is the file manager where you have your uploaded files. If you don't have any files, you can upload them. And then you click the file. Please make sure you don't only check the checkbox, but you actually click the file. And then you can see that the URL of that file has been inserted. Click select, and then you can change some settings in the appearance tab if the picture is too big, or you'd like some spacing, a horizontal or vertical spacing, a border perhaps. Here you can change the alignment of an image. And when you're done, just click insert, and you can see it has been placed into the document. If your window is too small like here and you'd like to see it full screen, you can click this button and then it will expand it to your whole screen. If you would like to use a thumbnail for your photos that when clicked will enlarge and show the full picture, you have to select the file by clicking on it and click image magnifier, and then give it dimensions that you'd like to use. It will automatically change the height to the width so that the aspect ratios are going to stay the same. So then just click OK, and you can see that it's smaller now than it was. So when you click save, and then you click on the file, it will actually bring it up in the center of the screen. So, going back to editing, I will delete this for now. You can use anchors in the text. For example, if you want to insert an anchor here, give it a name, and then you can link to this anchor by selecting a text, clicking this button, which is actually the hyperlink button, and then here you see you have anchors, and you just select the one that you like, click insert. So when somebody comes to this page, they'll click A and will automatically bring this text on top. This is good if you have, for example, a glossary and you have it on one page, and then you can alphabetically have anchors to each word. Going back to hyperlinks, you can link files or link to external sites through this. Linking to files work the same way as inserting images that I've shown you before, but you can also type other sites URL in here, and then you can choose where you want this link to open, in the same window or in a new window or tab. You can give it a title that will display when someone pulls their mouse over the link. Insert, and then you can see it displays YouTube, and it will take us to YouTube if we click it. Let's just go back. If you're familiar with HTML coding, you can use this button to edit the source of the file. You can insert tables with this button. You have to first set the number of columns and the number of rows you'd like. If you'd like to have some padding between the cells, you can use this. You can use alignment, whether you want the text to align in the center, left or right of each cell. and here you can have background colors or even background images for your tables. And when you're done, just click Insert, and you'll see a display here, and then you can start entering text, and naturally you can put images, videos, whatever you'd like into these tables. You can insert flash files either from a URL such as a YouTube video, or you can upload the flash files to our servers and it will play using this button. Here are some other things that you can use to insert different content into your pages. Well, a video will naturally insert a video. Image magnifier I have explained. The picture player is basically a rotating box of pictures. Internal link, you can link to other page within your site. You can insert a Google map, maybe a podcast from our audio gallery, or you can insert a full picture gallery into your custom pages. In the Settings tab, you have an option to edit your page before your visitors can actually see it. Until this is actually clicked as published, nobody except your administrators and yourself will be able to see your page. With these buttons you can choose where you'd like to display some information about this page. It could be the full page or just part of the page, an excerpt. You just have to click one of the buttons and then click Display Content. If you have comments enabled on your page, then you can set how many comments you would like to be shown in the place where you set it to display, and then just click OK. If you want to run, for example, promotions, you can even publish your site from one day to another. So for example, we can start to publish this site from next Monday for 1 week. And then after the date is over, it will unpublish itself automatically. These are the social media buttons if you'd like to display on your site, like the Facebook like button, Google Plus button, and Pinterest Pin It button. And you can choose to turn these off, or you can have them automatically turned off or turned on from your site settings. On the SEO tab, you can create a page title that would display on top of your browser or the visitor's browser. You can write a description for your page and also keyword the page. So this can be done separately for each page that you create. So I think this is all I wanted to say for now. Thank you very much for staying with us. I'll see you later. Bye bye.